ओम तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे वाग विशुद्धाय धीमहि तन्नो शिव प्रचोदयात्। Rahu is a serpent, and in that form, he is the garland of Shiva. In the planetary cabinet, Sun represents Lord Shiva. So, how can be the conjunction of Sun and Rahu adverse? Years before, someone told me that in the horoscope of Brahmins, there will be the conjunction of Sun and Rahu. And following his advice, I examined the horoscope of typical Brahmins, and I found the conjunction of Rahu and Sun was there in their horoscopes. Later on, I also find the same, but with a different planet, Sun in conjunction with Ketu. So that means the conjunction of Sun and Rahu can never be begged. You will be surprised to know that a close conjunction between Sun and Rahu means north node, makes a person a saint by heart, but he neither accept nor display, he neither accept it nor displays it in public. Generally, it is a general, it is his general behavior. Both the nodes create illusion at the initial stage of life. If sorry, if you have either of them with Sun, introspection is the basic quality of the close conjunction of Sun and North Node. This is my small video lecture, and I am now closing this lecture, and I will present myself before you some other time with a new subject on Vedic Jyotish. Till then, goodbye. परमात्मा शिव एवं भगवती पार्वती आप सभी को सद्बुद्धि प्रदान करें।